Divestment is a powerful strategy in ethical investing that allows you to take control of where your money goes. It's about actively removing investments from certain industries that don't align with your personal values or ethical standards. Throughout this video, you'll learn what divestment means, why investors choose to divest, and how you can implement this strategy in your own portfolio to ensure your investments reflect your principles. Divestment is the strategic act of selling or disposing of investments in companies, industries, or sectors that conflict with your ethical values or investment principles. Think of it as the opposite of investing. Instead of putting money into something, you're intentionally removing your financial support from businesses or industries you believe are harmful or unethical. This could mean selling stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or any other financial holdings that don't meet your moral standards. It's a deliberate decision to withdraw capital from areas that contradict what you stand for. There are four main reasons why investors choose to divest. First, ethical alignment. You want your investments to match your personal values and moral principles. If you care deeply about environmental issues, for example, you might not want to profit from companies that harm the planet. Second, sending a message. Divestment is a way to express your opposition to harmful business practices. When enough people divest, it gets noticed. Third, risk management. You can avoid industries facing potential regulatory crackdowns or reputational damage that could hurt returns. And fourth, being future-focused. By divesting from declining industries, you can redirect your capital towards sustainable and forward-thinking sectors that align with where the world is heading. Certain industries are commonly targeted for divestment based on ethical concerns. Fossil fuels and carbon-intensive energy companies are frequently divested from due to climate change worries and environmental impact. Many investors also divest from tobacco and harmful substances because of the health consequences these products cause. Weapons manufacturing and defense industries are another common target, especially for those who oppose military conflicts or violence. Finally, gambling and other predatory industries that profit from addiction or exploit vulnerable populations are often excluded from ethical portfolios. These are just examples. What you choose to divest from depends entirely on your personal values and what matters most to you. Divestment follows a straightforward three-step process. Step 1. Review your portfolio. Go through all your current holdings and identify any investments that conflict with your values. This includes individual stocks, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and any other financial products you own. Step 2. Research alternatives. Before you sell, find ethical investment options that can replace what you're divesting from. This ensures you're not just removing problematic holdings, but also redirecting your capital toward positive alternatives. Step 3. Execute the sale. Work with your broker or investment platform to sell the investments you've identified. Once sold, you can reinvest those funds into companies and sectors that better reflect your ethical standards. Divestment offers several meaningful benefits. First, you gain a clear conscience knowing your investments align with your moral compass. You can feel good about where your money is working. Second, divestment creates market influence. When many investors divest together, it can shift corporate behavior and send powerful signals to companies about what practices are acceptable. Third, it provides risk reduction by helping you avoid exposure to declining or controversial sectors that may face future challenges. And fourth, divestment creates positive impact by ensuring your capital flows towards sustainable solutions and companies working to make the world better. Your investment dollars become a force for good rather than supporting activities you oppose. Before divesting, there are 3 important factors to consider. First, tax implications. Selling investments may trigger capital gains taxes, especially if those holdings have increased in value. You'll want to understand the tax consequences before making moves. Second, performance trade-offs. Some sectors you might want to divest from, like fossil fuels or weapons, have historically provided strong returns. You need to be prepared for the possibility that ethical investing might affect your portfolio's performance, though research shows this gap is often smaller than expected. Third, Hidden exposures. Many index funds and mutual funds contain holdings across numerous companies. You might unknowingly own stakes in industries you want to avoid. Carefully examine what's inside your funds to ensure you're truly divesting from what you intend to. Here's what you need to remember. Divestment empowers you to align your financial portfolio with your ethical beliefs by removing investments from industries you oppose. It's a practical tool that puts your values into action. Your investment choices aren't just about making money, they can reflect your values and contribute to positive change in the world. Whether you're concerned about climate change, social justice, public health, or other issues, divestment gives you the power to ensure your money isn't supporting activities that contradict what you believe in. It's about making your portfolio work for you in every sense, both financially and ethically.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.